Hey everybody, it's Beth. Today I'm using two of these 6-inch embroidery hoops from Dollar Tree. I'll just be using the outer rings of each of them. I paint them completely with ink color chalk paint, and that's by Waverly. And then take this 5-inch wooden plaque that I got from Hobby Lobby and paint that with the same color. And then I'm taking this rub-in buff in the color Gold Leaf that I got from Amazon. And I'm just using my finger to apply it and rubbing it along both of the sides as well as the outer part of each of those hoops. Next, I'm taking this floral foam and cutting that down so it's not so tall. And then hot glue that to the round plaque. Once that glue is set on there, I'm going to take one of the embroidery hoops and I'm going to make sure it is closed and push it through the floral foam just to make that hole, and then add some hot glue in it and place the embroidery hoop back in. And then do the same thing with the other one, placing it through the foam first where I'm going to need it set, adding the hot glue, and then putting that in place. And then take this small wood slice and add that to where the two meet at the bottom, right on top of that foam. And then I'm just taking some different picks. These I got from Walmart, and cutting smaller pieces and placing it throughout the foam, as well as some red berries. Once I have that all set and filled in, I just add an LED tea light to that wood slice. And that is it for this project. Thank you so much for watching.